making drawstring gift bags out of this fabric. Just cutting little strips, so I'm going to show you how to put those together. And I measured the gift bag according to the thing that I'm putting in it. So this is just a toile looking holiday fabric that I designed, and I don't love it, and that's why I'm turning it into gift bags. I don't like this part right here after I had it printed up. I'm fine with everything else, but not that. So I thought, well, you know what? I'll use it up. I just ordered 2 yards to see what I thought of it. It's okay. I'm going to redo it. I'm going to get rid of this. But anyway, we're going to make our little gift bags. I have a whole bunch of nieces and nephews that are teenagers, and we're going to give them all sort of the same thing in this little gift bag. So far I've cut out my piece. This is about the size the bag's going to be when I'm finished. And I have just serged this top edge right now. And I've just serged that so that I can come back later and just top stitch it down. But the next step is to, let me move all this out of the way. We're going to just lay this flat and I'm going to use ribbon. And we're going to take this ribbon, and this is what my drawstring is going to be inside. And the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to finish my drawstring casing, which is what this is. Let me cut off this corner. Okay, so I've cut off this corner. Now, I'm not making these super elegant. If you were going to do like silk or something fancy, that'd be different. But I'm doing a pretty basic thing. So I'm just going to lay this down, and I'm leaving quite a bit of space at the end because I'm going to sew this together later. So this is just to put an even smaller ribbon through for the casing, and I'm going to top stitch it down, top and bottom, straight across, and did it on the other end. So you want to leave yourself about 1 inch at each end, like this. See that? So I'm going to just top stitch this ribbon down, top and bottom. After I've done that, then I can just sew my bag together, I can finish my edge, and I'm ready to put my drawstring in. So here is the little bag with the ribbon sewn on. When you sew it, you're just stitching top and bottom, leaving these sides open right here so we can fish through our smaller ribbon or whatever you choose to make for your drawstring. So the next thing I'm going to do is just fold this right sides together like this, and I'm going to serge down the side and the bottom of the bag. So I'm going to do that next. So I have serged my little bags. So if you look on the right side, here's my ribbon, and you can see it doesn't quite meet so that I can easily get my drawstring in, and I've my serged top, and then I've serged the side and the bottom. See, I still have my little threads to trim. This one I've already hemmed the top, so it has a little hem in it. So this is what it looks like on the inside, and if you look closely, maybe not, you can kind of see the stitching. I did red on top because I had red ribbon and white on the bobbin because it made sense. And this is how it's just like a little pouch right now, like that. And so now it's ready, it's done. All that I have to do is fish through my thinner ribbon, and I will have a little drawstring like that, a little drawstring bag. So I'm going to go ahead and finish all of them. I hope I have narrow ribbon, and I may not. I may have to go get narrow ribbon before I can finish this. Here they are, cute little finished bag. This one I just tied up the side. Here's how it looks before it's tied. And this one I just did a knot in the end. Just you can see the different ways to do it. And then the rest I haven't done anything to yet, but that's it. Simple as can be, super cute. You just have to decide how long you want it. I'm going to cut out, there's people here, the doorbell just rang and the dog is excited. I'm going to do maybe some wine bottle-sized ones too. But here you go, make you some cute little gift bags.